Today, we are going to create a PDCast journal. Here, I will give an example of how to complete a PDCast journal. The first step is to prepare the tools needed to make the PDCast journal. The tools we will need are an eraser, a pen, a pencil, and a ruler, and calculator. After everything is prepared, we can start working on the PDCast journal. The second step is to fill in the PDCast journal table. Let's go straight to the problem. First, we fill in the date. According to question, the date is December 2, 2023. Next, for the evidence number, we take it from the information provided in the question. Then, look at the question again. For the description, we write pembuatan brosur iklan. It means store supplies purchase. The account name for store supplies purchase is advertising expense, and the account number for advertising expense is 61000. The total amount based on the question is 1,300,000, and we place it in both the debit and credit columns.